Now, we are experiencing the life scenario. An escaped felon on the run. You are sitting in a booth at a bar. It's 10 p.m. Your hands won't stop shaking, so violent that you can't even hold your glass steady. Alcohol spills all over the table, but you don't bother to wipe it up. Behind the bar, the clinking sound of glasses collides and echoes, hammering inside your skull. You look down at your hands. There is something trapped under your fingernails. You can't tell if it's blood or not. You already went to the restroom and washed them over and over. Terrified of leaving behind clues, you rushed out of the restroom and thrust your fingers directly into the liquor glass in front of you, letting them soak. What you just did, you know better than anyone. It wasn't an accident, nor was it a temporary lapse of sanity. 20 minutes ago, the course of your life was irrevocably altered. It wasn't a sudden impulse, and it wasn't a mistake. You walked 2 kilometers and slipped into this bar. You originally intended to grab a drink to steady your nerves, but your body just won't stop shivering. In your pocket, your phone begins to vibrate. You recognize the number flashing on the screen, but you don't answer. Moments later, a text message arrives. The contents are exactly what you anticipated. You toss the phone straight into the river. You need to leave this city immediately. A single thought consumes your mind. Get as far away as possible. You take out your belongings. $200 in cash and an ID card. You stare at the photo on the ID. The person looking back at you feels like a complete stranger compared to who you are now. By the time you reach the long-distance bus station, dawn is breaking. The ticket window doesn't open until 7:00 a.m. As you sit by the roadside, your eyes lock onto a notice. An ID is strictly required to purchase tickets. You had never paid any attention to that sentence before. Now, those words burn themselves into your retinas.